Would you be willing to take $1,000 cut in your paycheck? How about 600? No? 200? Nobody willingly says, I'll take less, please. But isn't that exactly what we're doing? We buy things on credit. We borrow against our overdraft because we want something right now. We aren't willing to plan ahead or save for the things that we want. Instead, we go into debt. The average household has a combined debt of about $133,000. I want you to think about where you fall into that average. Now, there is hope. You can get out of debt and stay out of debt. I promise. Now, before I chose to create a budget for my family, I believed that there was no way we could do it, that we didn't have an extra penny to save, that we were tighter than tight. The truth is, everyone, no matter their circumstances, can and should create a budget, a plan for their family finances. Once I had a change of heart, nothing could stop us from succeeding. You see, it had nothing to do with money, not how much we owed, how much we made that made a difference. No, it was my attitude. We had about $7,000 in student loans, $17,000 in auto loans. We had a second mortgage for $32,000 and $130,000 on our home mortgage. Once I decided to take the invitation from my husband to create a family budget and manage our spending together with purpose, something magical happened. Suddenly, we found all kinds of ways to cut back. And within 4 years, I repeat, 4 years, everything was paid off. And now we're living like nobody else. How did we do that? I'll tell you. I'll give you a step-by-step way we did it in the next few minutes. Conclusion. Through hard work and determination, anyone can get out of debt and stay out of debt. The key is a positive attitude and a willingness to change the way we look at money and how we use it. Ask yourself, do you want the freedom to live like no one else? Take the challenge today. Start by creating a budget and saving your money with a purpose. Thank you.